Hello and welcome back to Kids for Kids. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pom-pom using a pom-pom maker. All you're going to need is a pom-pom maker, yarn, and a pair of scissors. So what you're going to do, you got to undo that clip on the pom-pom maker and then unfold that. And then you need to put them together so that those go into the holes. And then you're going to unravel your yarn, and then with the end of your yarn you're going to start wrapping it around your pom-pom maker. Just like so. So keep wrapping until there's an even layer covering the full pom-pom maker. Now that that's pretty even and thick enough, we're going to grab the scissors and cut the end off like that, and then we're going to tuck it under. I'm going to tuck it under that end and then pull that, then just trim off the excess, and then do the same on the other side. So unravel your yarn, grab the end, get your pom-pom maker, and then start wrapping. Then you're going to trim off the end like you did on the other side, and then tuck it under. Just like so. And then trim off the excess. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put both sides together, and if it's like that, pull that back. Same with the other side. And then do those clips back up, but make sure the clip goes over both, not just one. And then you're going to get your scissors again, and you're going to slide it in between there and start cutting the yarn. You may need sharp scissors for this, depending on how thick you made your yarn. Same on the other side. And then don't pull it out. First, you're going to chop off maybe 10 centimeters of yarn, and you're going to feed it through the middle of those all the way to the other side, and then you're going to do a double knot just like that. That's one. Pull that tight, then do that again, pull that tight, then you can undo those clips and unfold that. Take your pom-pom out, and then grab your scissors again and trim off any of the long bits to make it even. And you can run it through your hands to make it all evenly spaced, and then trim off the long bits. And there you have it. That's how to make a pom-pom using a pom-pom maker. Bye!